Hello, my name is Jasmine Baron. I'm 42 years old and I live in Bogota. I'm studying computer engineer and I'm working in a software telecommunication company. I will talk about the illegal minery and overexploitation of natural resources. I think it's important to start looking for the use of the other clean food alternatives that allow the sustainability of the planet because the pollution generated from carbon or oil is no longer allowed to have a clean world. The community is affected and all the animals and the environment are affected too. That ends up affecting the human being who should worry less about industrial process and more in the place where you live. In conclusion, for me, we must stop looking for the accumulation of capital and improve to use the natural resource because it's limited, and our lifestyle has to become self-auto-sustainable. Thank you.